Hello YouTube and welcome back to MavTech. Now, a little over 4 months ago I brought a product that I really wanted to put through its paces. I really wanted to test it and see what I could do with it. Now remember, I'm not a photographer, I'm not a filmmaker, I'm just someone who's completely in love with tech and it's really caught my eye. So what am I talking about? You guessed it, the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I've paired it with the iPhone 10 and you want to know what this thing can do? Let's do this. So guys, I've been in London all day walking around with this to show you what you can expect to achieve from it with minimal effort and minimal training. Now there's a load of tutorial videos on YouTube that you can watch to show you how to get the best quality films out of this and the best quality stabilised shots. There's literally hundreds. If you want to see me do any of them, let me know in the comments below and I'll do a few tutorial videos of the best ways to use this and the best ways to compile a few of the shots that I've got in the upcoming video. What am I talking about? I've been in London. I've taken this with me to some of the scenic places, we'll call it, around London to show you what this thing can really capture and what it can do, like I said, with no training from someone who isn't a photographer, who isn't a filmmaker. I'm just a lover of tech. So stick around to the end of the video and see what this can do. But honestly, it's just amazing. It's going to give you 15 hours of battery life. You can charge your phone directly from this. The controls are simple to figure out, and like I said, watch a few of the videos online for some extra tips and that. They're amazing. But this thing is still now 4 months on, is still shocking me what I can do. I've travelled with it, I've been on holiday with it, and as you're going to see, I've walked all over London with it, and it's produced an amazing short video for you. So stick around, drop a like if you do enjoy the video, and please comment because I want to hear back what you think about this, and if you're interested in any way I can help you, let me know. Thank you very much. I'm Mark and you've been watching MavTech. Enjoy the video.